Hi all, Lee here. Today I'm in Guangzhou at the 138th Canton Fair, the biggest and most important trade fair in all of China. This event happens twice a year and attracts people from all over the world. But today I'm here for something special. A global outdoor power equipment and tools brand which is taking the world by storm. Let's go and visit Senix. The Canton Fair is massive. Over 1.55 million square metres of exhibition space and more than 32,000 companies taking part in this session alone. It's where the world comes to see the latest in intelligent manufacturing, new energy, health and green tech. And for brands like Senix, it's the perfect stage to show off what's next in performance, precision and innovation. So here we are at the Senix booth, Hall 11.2, E35 to E38. Wow, straight away it looks like a professional setup, very vibrant and very busy. So Senix is a brand that was born in the USA, but actually it's grown into a true global powerhouse. Senix was founded in 2017 in the United States. However, behind it stands a manufacturing giant, YAT Group. For years, YAT has been a leading global OEM, producing high quality tools and equipment for top international brands. Today, Senix draws on that same expertise, the same production lines, the same skilled engineers and the same strict quality systems to bring professional grade tools directly under its own name. YAT's factories produce a broad product line from garden tools and engines to electrification and intelligent equipment, covering the full ecosystem of outdoor and power solutions. In fact, 1 in every 4 of the world's chainsaws comes from a YAT factory, a remarkable testament to their scale, capability and consistency. With this foundation, Senix isn't just another tool brand, it's the evolution of decades of proven excellence, innovation and unstoppable power. Senix's garden lineup covers everything from small mowers to big heavy-duty landscaping equipment. Their hybrid ZTR mower, the world's first hybrid of its kind, won the 2025 PTIA award. That is really easy to drive and it's so manoeuvrable. And this 60-volt self-propelled mower won CNN's Best Tested 2025 award. How cool is that? That kind of recognition shows they're not just competing, they're leading. Well, you can really feel the quality in their tools. It's lightweight, it's solid, it's balanced. This is like professional grade gear, but accessible to any serious DIYer. So I just noticed you videoing me while I was driving this.
Yeah.
I tell you, that's really easy to drive. What do you think of that?
I was surprised. I saw the flexibility of the movement. Actually, when I had a look on it, I remember our farm at home. We have around 300,000 square meters.
Oh.
We have not less than 50,000 square meters, fully grass. So this kind of equipment might be
perfect for you,
for me to easy cut and easy manage the grass high.
Yeah, where are you from?
We came from Kuwait.
Kuwait? Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow, okay. Is it your first time here at the show?
And the Canton is first time.
Okay.
In China, second time.
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate your time.
My pleasure.
Thank you. I noticed you've been on the Senix stand. Where are you from?
Colombia.
Colombia? Wow,
Yes.
Okay. And is it your first time at the fair?
It's my second time.
It's your second time.
Yep.
And why are you visiting Senix?
I know Senix brand back in Mexico, so I spoke with them in Mexico. I would like to know here in China the facilities, all the products, all the brand, all the new stuff and tools.
Okay, and what do you think of them so far? What's your impression?
My first impression is really good quality, really good facilities and a strong brand. So I look around and looks like a quality brand. So that's what I'm here.
So you're going to become Colombia's biggest distributor, right?
Could be.
That would be great.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
And Senix power tools follow the same philosophy. Professional performance without the premium price tag. That's so cool. I feel like Terminator. All that's powerful, that is. That's very cool, isn't it? So you can actually see how powerful these are. If I get this one here, that has really got some power, that has. Wow. And I bet you can't guess what this is. This is one of their snow blowers. And they've got this one, they have one here, and then right here, this is an electric snow shovel, and it's the first one to have wheels on. And that's really cool. If you live in an area, it wouldn't take you long to clear off your driveway with that. That is really cool. Here you've got a fridge, and right next to it here, we've got the big boy tools. That's like a big heavy duty angle grinder, and I've never seen a circular saw that big ever. That's massive. This is serious gear. What quality and power that is, man. 20-volt system. Impressive. You can even get yourself a Senix coffee machine, so you can make yourself some coffee while you're on the job. You got a mini little blower here. This looks like some sort of oh, this is electric shears. Look, whoa, like some sort of, oh, it's a pruner. That's right. From drills and saws to trimmers and blowers, these are designed for professionals who want reliability without compromise. Good to meet you. So I can see from looking around now your products are of very high quality. But tell me some of the strong points about your products.
We design and manufacture everything ourselves. Motors, electronics, batteries, so we can guarantee consistency and performance.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
For those attending the Canton Fair, Senix is offering some incredible opportunities. Up to 20% off, no minimum order quantity, free display shelves, sales rebates, 2% spare parts bonus, online traffic support.
It's a great opportunity for both distributors and retailers to connect directly with Senix, especially as the brand expands across Asia, South America and beyond. I always like to see how these feel when you pick them up. Smooth trigger response, powerful output, nice and balanced. They're really the kind of tools that make you want to get things done.
The crowd here speaks for itself. Lots of attention, real engagement and plenty of smiles. Senix's mix of design, innovation and real-world performance clearly strikes a chord.
Now we're at the service robot zone, where robots are not just working inside factory walls, but are becoming more and more integrated with our daily lives. And here's YAT, another professional company in the garden tool space.
Founded in 2022, YAT's known for pioneering products like the world's first lithium snow thrower and the first 84-volt professional battery system. They've got 4 global factories and a strong export presence, showing how diverse the innovation landscape is at the fair.
So this is a kind of a most advanced technology, our best one. So
I can see some very
you can see
interesting
some
sensors.
cameras. Also,
Okay.
this is compatible with RTK and VSNAP system. So this is a very advanced solutions for the garden maintenance.
And this one doesn't need a wire.
Yeah, so this one just you just unbox and put this machine to your garden and grass
And off
ground.
it goes.
Everything is automatically.
Wow.
Yes.
So that's our look at Senix at the 2025 Canton Fair. If you're a dealer or entrepreneur looking to grow your product line, then this might be your chance to join the power of Senix. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and let me know down in the comments which Senix product impressed you the most. But for now, from Canton Fair 2025 here in Guangzhou, take care.